A very good morning to all my dear students. So as we have already started the chapter surface area and volume. Okay, so in that I have already introduced you the formula for calculating surface area of a right circular cylinder. So you can see in front of you here, this is the figure of a cylinder which is right circular. Right circular means it is standing at an angle of 90 degree and it is circular. So the special name is given right circular cylinder. But basically all the cylinders are right circular only. So now we have already started exercise 13.2 in which we have done 2 questions. So we are going to proceed further now. Third question. Now what is given to you in third question is a metal pipe is there. It is 77 centimeter long. That means long means iski height. The height is given to you 77 centimeters. So the first task you have to do is you have to write all the given things. Then since this is a pipe, so it is having two diameters. One is outer, one is inner. So outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter and inner diameter is 4 centimeter. Okay, so this much is given to you. Now the first question is you have to find out the inner curved surface area. Now for finding inner curved surface area, you will deal only with the inner radius. Diameter अगर 4 centimeter है, radius will become half of 4 which is 2 centimeter. Height is 77 centimeter. It is same for both outer as well as inner. So the inner curved surface area will be 2 pi r h. Now we are denoting the height by h और जो आपका inner radius है we are denoting it by small r and the outer radius we are denoting it by capital R. Okay, so 2 pi r h is the formula for CSA. So just put the value. Since in the question it is nowhere given that you have to use 3.14. So basically you have to use 22 upon 7. So the answer will be 968 centimeter square. So this is the inner curved surface area. Now for finding outer curved surface area, 2 pi r h. So this will be 2 pi. Now this time outer radius, half of 4.4 will be 2.2. So 2.2 into 77. Okay, so this will be 1064.8 centimeter square. Okay. Now the third part is you have to find out the total surface area of the pipe. Now total surface area में यहाँ पे you don't have to get confused with 2 pi r into r plus h. वो एक सिलेंडर का था, but in this case you are having बाहर का the inner curved surface area, you have outer curved surface area, and this time you don't have the two circles, you have two rings. If you observe carefully, so pipes के दोनों ओर you have these kind of rings. Okay, this is 2 times. One is in the bottom and one is as the top. And what is the area for this? Since this is the circle, the area will be pi r square. And since this is the inner, this will be pi small r square. And then you have to subtract. So this will be pi common r square minus r square. So this is the formula for calculating the area of a ring. Okay, I hope all of you have understood. So similarly, total surface area will be inner surface area plus outer surface area plus area of base rings. So there are 2 base rings. Okay, so 968 आपका inner surface area है, 1064.8 is the outer, and आपको rings का area निकालना है. So it will be pi into r square minus r, since there are 2 multiplied by 2. Substitute the values. So the answer will be 2038.08 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of the pipe. So I hope all of you have understood basically this concept कि आपको जो ring है इसका area अगर आपको निकालना है, this will be outer minus inner circles area. So this is the formula. Okay. So now we'll see the next question. So in the next question, which is question number 4, it is given that the diameter of a roller, okay, road roller जो होता है, its diameter is given to you 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. So basically length जो आपको दी है, this is nothing but height, and radius will be 84 upon 2. This is also a cylinder, just in horizontal, lying in horizontal form. Okay, so you have to calculate the area of playground. Okay, road roller को एक एरिया को प्लेन करने के लिए यूज किया गया है, एंड हाउ मेनी कंप्लीट रिवोल्यूशंस आर मेड 500. सो व्हाट विल बी द एरिया ऑफ प्लेग्राउंड दैट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. सो फॉर दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to find out the CSA. Why CSA not TSA? Because रोड के कॉन्टैक्ट में सिर्फ जो रोड रोलर है उसका surface area आएगा. Okay, this is the road roller and this is lying on the road. So if it has to move on this road, only CSA will come in contact. So you will find out CSA, which is 2 pi RH. You know all the values, just put them, and the answer is 31680, 31,680 centimeters square. This is the CSA. Now that means this much area is covered in one revolution. Now you have to take total 500 revolutions. So just multiply it by 500. It will be 1584 and 4 times zeros centimeter square. So instead of taking this big number, you can just write it in meter square. It will be divided by 10,000. So it will be 1584 meter square. Okay. So this is the area of playground. So I hope all of you have understood. And now we'll do the last question for today, which is a cylindrical pillar. Its diameter is given to you 50 centimeter. So radius will be 25 centimeter. And I've converted this in meters because its height is given in meters. And you know in the formula the units should be same. So this will become 0.25 meter. Now you have to paint the pillar. Now पिलर को अगर पेंट करना है तो उसकी चारों दीवारों को ही पेंट करना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट CSA. So CSA is equal to 2 pi RH. Just put the values, and the answer for CSA is 5.5 meter square. That means this is the area which is to be painted. Now it is given that rupees 12.50 is the cost of painting 1 meter square. So if you want to paint the whole area, just multiply it by 5.5. So the answer will be 68.75. So the cost of painting the pillar is 68.75 rupees. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood all the 3 questions. So please complete this exercise till question number 5 we have done. Try to do question number 6 and 7 by your own. Those are very simple questions, and then we'll continue from question number 8. So complete till question number 7. So that's all for today. Thank you.